Classes are in full swing next semester. Final year project is coming up and graduation is in sight. I look back at my internship experience over the past 6 months at Petronas Digital in Kuala Lumpur. Being an intern was a unique experience where I was empowered, inspired, learned something new every day. From walking in on my first day until leaving 6 months later, I gained so much knowledge and experience I didn't know I would have before I started. Throughout my internship, I was part of the software engineering team for the industry of Petronas. The software engineering team consisting of my supervisor, me, and 17 more interns. I didn't have my experience from the software engineering beforehand, but I knew it was an industry that interested me. I also heard about the wonders of IoT and AI and was eager to learn more. From the beginning, I was met with respect and understanding. I was treated as an employee, not just an intern. If there was something I didn't know, there was always someone to ask for help. As the team in many ways was just the two of us, my supervisor would most often share what was going on with me and we could come up with solutions together. Since we had to take care all of parts of the system development operation, I learned several of different strategy and got a very complete picture of what role in software engineering could be like. All through the process, my opinions were listened to and ideas were implemented, thereby giving me responsibilities that made real impact on the project. Working on external and internal communication, what I meant was to be used by thousands of people. I was given the opportunity to create a system to be used by the Petronas employers, pushing me to constantly improve my coding skill. I had to understand what works and what doesn't for our clients and how to solve the problems. By receiving feedback from my college on what I was coding, I learned a lot about the system itself and the industry. I had researched and make sure what I was coding was correct, as was often on technical problems that was to be found by the people who know more about it than me. Being in a large corporation, but as a part of a small team, had several great benefits. I had access to an amazing cafeteria, the company cafe where I would have my free coffee. At the same time, our project helped X function many ways like a startup with a more freedom to do as we want and without too much formal structure. Petronas as a whole also has a corporate culture that values health, work-life balance, and trust in their employees. My internship has taught me a lot about my skill set, given me confidence in my own abilities. It has helped guide my career aspiration and will definitely help me in my future career choice. I also gained technical knowledge in both software engineering and in system development. I left my internship with a toolbox much fuller than when I started. The knowledge I gained will help me to face the real world post graduation. My experience has brought me closer to my goals and I am excited for what the future has to bring.